Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now Valentine's week is going on and I'm sure all of you are all getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day with all enthusiasm this year as like every year. Me and my husband, we're not the very mushy kinds. We don't really go out, especially on Valentine's Day, but we do have, a small celebration at home every time, and a little dressing up and, having a nice dinner date at home is always a good idea. When we have a day especially to celebrate love, why not make use of it and dress up and have some good food and just have a good time at home with your partner. That's how we like to celebrate Valentine's Day every year, and this year I've decided to do something special and dress up really nicely. So I picked up a few things from Amazon and put up a look together for you guys, and all of these things are on a good budget. As always, like I always say, I try to find things from Amazon which anybody and everybody can pick up, and these are all good quality, hand-picked by me, so you can be assured about the quality of all of them. So without further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that I have picked up is a red dress. Now I feel red is a little done, like too much, but then again Valentine's I also feel is incomplete without a red dress. So I picked up this red dress. It is a polyester dress and it costed me somewhere around 450 rupees, but it is such an amazing fabric, and the best part is that it does not need a lining underneath. You can just directly wear it and you're good to go. It has a plain like upper top, and it has these designer sleeves. The bottom part, like the skirt part, has this pleated pattern, pleated fabric, which adds so much beauty to the dress, so much character to the dress without adding anything extra. So it's plain on the top, and the skirt part has pleated fabric and these cute sleeves, which it also has a belt which you can attach and tie up to your waist. It is such a cute dress and I find it perfect for Valentine's. So if you're looking at a good dress, especially on a budget, a good red dress, definitely pick it up. It is not transparent. You don't need to worry about all of those issues. And when you're wearing a dress of such a bright color, my personal style is that I like to keep the accessories and everything to a minimum so that the dress alone can shine. So I'm wearing these rose gold earrings. The jewelry that I have for this look is all rose gold. These earrings that I have, these are rose gold studs. These are from Jiva. I love jewelry from Jiva. I have quite a few designs from them. They're all silver, pure silver, and you can get them in various polishes, gold, mostly silver and rose gold. I've picked up a few rose gold designs. Good part is that the silver is certified, so you know that you're paying, you're getting your money's worth when you're paying that much amount. And I also picked up this bracelet from Jiva, which again is silver but in rose gold polish. This is the bracelet, and you can see it has these American diamond solitaires over here. Very classy. It's a very classic design, and it looks really cute when you wear it. Very dainty and perfect for times like Valentine. It's also a really good gift option for Valentine's, because you know that you're gifting silver, and the quality of the diamonds, the American diamonds, is also really good. It's not as expensive as gold, but it's not artificial jewelry. Okay, in keeping with the rose gold theme, I also picked up this necklace. This it has a chain and a pendant, and this is one of my best finds on Amazon in the recent times. I'll tell you why. I'll show you all the things that it does. So you can wear it like a pendant. This is the pendant. It has these 1 2 3 4 hearts, but you can also open it up and wear it like this, or you could just straighten out the 4 hearts and make a pendant like this. So depending on the look that you're going for, if you want something a little more traditional, just put them all back and you get a pendant like this. Isn't it cool? I really liked it, and I think I'm going to wear this a lot. This of course is not silver. I'm going to leave all of the links to all of the products in the description box down below, but I think I'm going to wear this a lot because you can wear it in a lot of ways, and this also is a great gifting option when you are on a super tight budget. Now, I've paired my dress and jewelry with a black clutch. This is what I picked up from Amazon. Love the details on this one. It has all these beads all over, and you can see the scalloped design, big beads, small beads, and this is what it looks like. The back side is all plain, and there's all the bead work on one side. It has this clasp, and you open it up like this. It also has the chain inside, so you can put it on your shoulder when you're tired of holding it in your hand like this. But this has really good quality, and the links as always are going to be in the description box down below. I've paired the whole outfit and jewelry with classic stilettos. These are really old, and these are from Steve Madden, but I'm going to leave links to similar stilettos in the description box down below for you to check them out. Matching the jewelry, I wore my rose gold watch, and again I'm going to leave links to a few rose gold watches also in the description box down below in case you want to check them out. So this was my Valentine's look, a red outfit with black heels and a black clutch and rose gold jewelry to go with my outfit, and I think I really like what I've put together. I'm definitely going to wear this whole look on Valentine's Day and surprise my husband, and unless he sees this video before that. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video really helpful. I also have a video coming up next in which I'm going to share some Valentine's Day gifting ideas, more ideas apart from some that I've shared in this video. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are updated of the new video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Links to all of the products are going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check them out. And that's about it. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.